Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So how have you guys been? How was Christmas? I hope you guys had a wonderful time with your family and friends. And yes, there's something new about this video today. I'm gonna do it in English. Yes, after a long time I started doing English videos because I thought, you know, just doing sinhala videos only is like I'm reaching out to a certain group of people, whereas I want to, you know, reach out. It's not like I'm not gonna do any sinhala videos. I will be doing sinhala videos as well, but I'll be throwing in a few English videos as well because I want to reach out to a bigger crowd, to a bigger audience. So guys, today's video is going to be this look, and I did this look for New Year's Eve. So if you guys are going out, you have to try this look because it looks so beautiful and I'm in love with this look, and I'm so sad I have to take this off in a few minutes. Yeah, I don't know whether you guys have noticed, but I'm like seeing glitter everywhere. Even the dresses this year is covered with glitter. So I thought of doing a glittery makeup look for this 31st night, and it turned out to be really cool. So I hope you guys will try this look, and we'll move on to the tutorial without any further chit chat. Okay, so let's get started with the makeup look. As you can see, I have already, I'm like halfway into it. I have already done one eye, which looks really beautiful. I'm in love with it already. So I have already done my base as well. I will now show you what I used to do my base. As for the primer, I used this one, which is from Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. As for the foundation, I used Huda Beauty, and my shade is Toffee. I used my favorite concealer, Nabla Close Up. The shade is Amber. And to fix all this, I used Huda Beauty Loose Powder. My shade is Kunafa, sorry. To shape my eyebrows, I used Sephora eyebrow pencil. My shade is Dark Charcoal. And as for this eye makeup look, I'll be using Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. The eye makeup I'm doing is very similar to what you see here on the cover. If you don't have this palette, there's nothing to worry. You can always find these colors in any other palette, and also you can do it in any other shade. Before applying any eyeshadow, I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer, which I used on my face. This is by Nabla. I'm going to apply a little bit on my eyelid just to get get rid of the pigmentation I have on my eyelid, so that I have a perfect base to work on. I'm going to blend this in using my finger. You can also use a brush, whichever way you prefer. And then I'm going to fix this with the skin color eyeshadow. This is the one I'm going to use. The shade is called Desert Sand. It looks more like white on the video, but it's a skin tone eyeshadow. So I'm going to apply this eyeshadow all over my lid. I'm just going to dab it in. I'm not going to drag anything because I don't want to move the concealer. I just applied on my lid, so I'm going to dab this onto my lid just like this. So now my concealer is sealed. I can go ahead and apply my other eyeshadows. So the first eyeshadow I'm going to apply is called Blazing. It's an orange eyeshadow. I'm going to apply this onto my crease and slowly build up the color. This is after a long time doing an English tutorial, and the main reason I thought of doing English videos again is I just want to reach out to a bigger crowd, a larger crowd, because I feel like doing sinhala videos is only like I'm reaching to a certain amount of people, but instead I want my channel to grow a bit. So I think that's the intention of anybody who has opened a YouTube channel. So it doesn't mean that I won't be doing any sinhala videos. I will be doing them as well, but I'm gonna throw in a few English videos. I don't think you guys have a problem with that because everybody can speak English and everybody can understand English. So I'm gonna blend this in until I have the right amount of color on my crease, and I think I just about have that right amount on my crease. Yeah. And then I'm gonna move on to my next color, which is going to be a brick red eyeshadow. On this palette it's called Amber. Even this color goes on the crease. I'm blending it along with the previous eyeshadow I applied. There's quite a lot of blending going on here. So even this one, try to add little by little, because if you add more than you can handle, it's really hard to get it off your lid. You'll have to redo your makeup. Now I'm going to add a darker color, which is going to be a brown eyeshadow color. I'm going to add this. Looks like a red eyeshadow, but it's brown. It's dark brown, and the name is Oud. I don't know how you spell it. I hope it's right. So I'm gonna add this starting here at the corner of my eye, and then I'm gonna slowly bring it into my crease. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend all of these eyeshadows using the first eyeshadow I used on my lid, on my crease, which is the orange one. Take a little bit of that onto your brush. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a cut crease, which is I'm going to design sort of like a half circle on my lid. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a shimmery eyeshadow. This is also in sort of like a reddish shimmery eyeshadow. On this palette, this is called Blood Moon. I'm gonna start it over here. I'm going to slowly bring it in towards the inner corner of my eye. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of glitter to the inner corner of my eye. To do that, I'm going to wet my brush. You can wet it with water, but I'm using this spray by Too Faced, which is also a fixing spray. And I'm going to take a little bit of glitter. This palette has a glitter eyeshadow. This is basically glitter. It's called Cosmo. You can even use a loose glitter powder. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of more glitter. I'm gonna use this eyeliner. This is by Vicon Cosmetics. This is a gold eyeliner. I'm gonna use a little bit of this on top of the glitter I just used. It's gonna add a little bit of a lot more shine to it. This is gonna add a lot more shine to it. Because I think this year is all about shining. you need to touch up on anything, you can do it at this point. If you need to blend anything out or add a little bit of eyeshadow, you can do at this point. Just make sure that both eyes look the same. Now what I have to do is have to draw my eyeliner. I'm going to use Huda Beauty eyeliner. This is a gel eyeliner. Okay, the eyeliner is done and I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara, and I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Okay, now the makeup look is almost done. I only have to line the lower waterline. And for that I'm going to use the same Huda Beauty liner, because this is a 2-in-1. One part has the ink liner and the other one has the pencil liner. I'm going to use the pencil liner side now, and I'm going to line my waterline. And then I'm going to smudge this waterline with a little bit of brown eyeshadow, which I also used on my lid. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara to my lower lashes as well. Now I have to tell you that at this point you can even add false lashes, which will give a real mega look. I'm not going to add false lashes because anyways I'm going to take this makeup off, and also because false lashes just doesn't work with me. So, and then we're almost done, I promise. I'm gonna add a little bit of highlighting eyeshadow on my tear ducts. I'm gonna use the eyeshadow on this palette, which is called Angelic. You can also use your highlighter if you don't have any highlighting eyeshadows. It will work. Finish off the face. I'm gonna brush away the excess powder I used to set my foundation. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of bronzer to my face. And I'm gonna use the Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Toasted Bronzer. Okay, then I'm gonna add a little bit of highlighter to my face before adding the blush. First I'm gonna use a liquid highlighter. For the liquid highlighter I'm gonna use a Becca highlighter, and the name is Opal. This is a real wonderful liquid highlighter. I'm also going to use a little bit on my brow to highlight my brow. I love this highlighter so much. It just gives that wonderful wet look to your face. Makes your makeup look so dewy. Okay, and that's done. Now I'm going to fix this liquid highlighter with a powder highlighter. This one is called C Cup and the brand is Becca. I love this one as well. I love this highlighter as well. It's really gorgeous. Now I'm going to add a little bit of blush, and I'm going to use this one by Nabla. The shade is Satellite of Love. And now, ladies, I'm gonna do my lips. Now when you're doing a makeup look like this, I personally prefer to keep my lips really nude because I want all the attention on my eyes. After doing quite a lot of work on my eyes, I just want everybody's attention on my eye. So that's totally up to you. You can even use a darker lipstick color. There's no problem to it. But today I'm going to use a nude lipstick. So the combo I'm going to use today is, the lipstick is by Huda Beauty, and the shade is Game Night. And I'm going to, and as a lip liner, I'm going to use this lip liner by Wycon Cosmetics, and the shade is Beyond. First I'm going to line my lips. Using a lip pencil will make your lipstick last longer, and we want our lipstick to last longer. This is the shade I'm going to be using today, sort of like a brownish lipstick. And basically I love this look so much. It looks amazing. You should try this out. So if you do try this out, please send me photos. I would love to see them. So my lovelies, I hope you guys will have a wonderful new year. May all your dreams and wishes come true. If you are going out on 31st night, party safe, don't drink and drive. So until we meet again with another video, take care and bye bye. Love and peace.